Did you know sneezing could mean someone's thinking about you? Well, that's what some people say. But is there any truth to it? This belief dates back centuries and spans various cultures. In Japan, sneezing was thought to mean someone was talking about you, either gossiping or praising you behind your back. Similarly, in parts of Europe, a sneeze signaled that someone had you on their mind. As much as we'd love to believe someone's thinking of us, there's zero scientific proof. Sneezing is just a biological reflex. It happens when your nose detects irritants like dust, pollen, or cold air. No hidden messages, just your body doing its job. So next time you sneeze, it's probably allergies or a cold, not someone's thoughts. Follow for more quick facts.